Hello, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into the word across. Across is a preposition, and it's perfect for describing movement or position from one side of something to the other side. Picture yourself on one side of a bridge and wanting to reach the other side. When you move to the other side, you go across the bridge. It's a useful word for talking about directions, locations, and even metaphorical situations. Some similar words you might hear are over, through, and beyond. For example, if you say, "She walked over the hill," it's a bit like saying she moved across it, but over usually implies moving to a higher or elevated point. If you say, "She went through the park," this means moving within or inside the area, but across means starting on one side and going directly to the other. And beyond implies a distance farther than across would usually describe, like something on the far side. On the other hand, antonyms for across include alongside and near. Imagine two friends walking side by side down the road. They're walking alongside each other, not moving from one side to the other. Or if someone says, "She's standing near the building," it means she's close to it, but hasn't crossed from one side to the other. In daily life, you'll find across helpful for giving directions or describing where things are. For instance, if someone asks where the park is, you might say, "Just walk across the street and you'll find it." Or if you're talking about a river, you could say, "There's a bridge across the river." This word also fits well in phrases like across the board, which means something applies to everyone or everything equally. Here are a few examples of across in sentences. He swam across the lake to reach the island. The cat jumped across the fence. And she spread the blanket across the grass for a picnic. So that's our word for today, across. We've talked about its meaning, synonyms, and antonyms, along with plenty of ways to use it in everyday language. Thanks for joining me on Hello Word. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And why not create your own sentence using across? Share it in the comments below. I'd love to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and exploring new words.